Today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada for the very first time. It's our first time to the US, and we're going to be staying at the Venetian Hotel, which is the biggest resort hotel in the world. We're going to take you with us to explore this hotel and show you what it's like to stay here and give you a full room tour and our own personal review at the end. It's our very, very first time to the USA. We've been dreaming about coming here for a holiday for years, and we finally had a good excuse because it's our honeymoon. So we've asked them to give us their best view because it's our honeymoon, so hopefully they will. So we're staying here on a weekday, on weekdays. So we're here Monday to Thursday. So we've got a really good rate, and it is the end of August, beginning of September in 2025. It's 40 degrees out here, it's crazy hot, but inside they've got really good AC, so we should be fine. This is all the hotel, all these buildings, every single bit of it. This is quite entertaining. We're trying to park the car at the hotel. It's literally like a maze, and it's so hot.
Just for a hotel.
Yeah, how many rooms is it in this hotel?
7,500.
7,500 rooms in this hotel. We definitely need to try and take note of where we park the car, otherwise we'll never find it. Okay, so this is where we check in. I think check-in is 3, and it's currently about 2 o'clock, I think. But John is just at the kiosk seeing if we can, or if we can leave our bags and then have a little wander around. So extremely fast lifts. Actually, make sure your ears pop. It goes from 10 to 29. We're on the 35th floor on the North Suites. It's really pretty up here. Look at this. The carpet looks spotless. It's really quiet. Downstairs was manic. There was people everywhere. It was really bustling. Hello. Come in through our double doors into our hallway. This is insane. This is our grand 1-bed king suite remodeled, I think.
Grand 1-bedroom king suite.
That one.
Remodeled from the old version.
So this is like brand spanking new, and you can tell. So you've got a bathroom the second you come in. Look at this. It's got like, it's got frills. If this was my house, I'd be like, oh, would you like to use the guest bathroom before you come into my hallway?
We've got double doors and a mirror.
I know, I'd love this if this was my house. But it is for the next 3 nights, so how lucky are we? Come on in. I feel like we should have a party in here, it's just insane. We asked for their best view, because it's our honeymoon. We were like, give us your best view. And they did give us a really good view, to be fair. We're on the 35th floor.
Highest floor.
Which is the highest floor before like the penthouse and everything. You can see the strip, you can see the pool, or one of the pools. How many pools are there, babe?
Like 9.
9 pools. Yeah, and these, we eventually figured out how to open the curtains. There is a button. It took us a few moments of running around this huge space to find it. But look how nice. If the sofa in that room wasn't enough, got a sofa in here as well. I've never seen a sofa in a bedroom before. Have you, babe?
Well, I've seen a sofa in a bedroom, but not one attached to the bed.
That's what I mean, not attached like this in this like blue velvet purpose-built wall with a TV in it.
Yeah, so that wall actually has a TV on either side, one for the living room, one for here, and that's got to be like a 70-inch or something.
Yeah. And then probably the best bit, vanity for the girlies. Full-length mirror, which is a must, because we didn't have that in the last room. So you can check your outfit. Entire wardrobe room. This is gigantic. And then we have the bathroom. Look at the size of this thing. Look at that shower. Bonkers.
It's got a built-in marble seat.
Size reference. Massive. And it all just feels so clean. Really clean and tidy and just luxurious because of all the marble everywhere.
And you've got His and hers vanities. Look, the room's split in two parts. So over here,
oh yeah,
there's one whole sink and mirror set up, and then there's another one over there. So who likes sharing?
And then we've got another toilet. So
with gold wallpaper.
We don't even have to share a toilet. We can have our own toilet.
We don't normally share a toilet.
Yes, we do.
You can't sit on one toilet, two people.
But we have one toilet between us, whereas we have a toilet each.
Oh,
now.
well, yeah, but you need to clarify. We don't sit on the same toilet at the same time.
No, we don't share the toilet seat at the same time. And then, oh my goodness, is this plastic or is it pop? I'm not sure.
Pop.
But it's, oh! I could drown in this. One thing they don't do is tea and coffee, but I kind of knew that before we came because we'd seen some videos.
Seems to be an American thing in hotels. They don't give tea and coffee in the room. You go downstairs to like a central place and get it.
Yeah, I mean, we've definitely spoilt for choice of places to eat and drink, that's for sure, downstairs.
There's a whole dining table with 4 chairs for guests.
Yeah, so if we did want to have like room service or something, we really could have a party in here.
Yeah, we've got like a sink over here as well with a tap where the mini bar is.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we've not looked at this yet. There's a fridge just to keep your own stuff cold, I guess. Love kit. Interesting. I mean, it is our honeymoon, but
it's not suitable for YouTube.
Good morning. It is day 2, sort of. We arrived yesterday, checked in, had a bit of an explore. This place is giant, just, there isn't a word big enough. It's so big, there is so much to see and do that we kind of just tried to walk around, get the lay of the land, see where everything kind of was. Yeah, so slept really well in a very, very comfy bed last night. Huge, you could have fit another person. We're gonna have a bit more of a shop, a bit of a slower day exploring today properly, and hopefully maybe catch a show later, because there's so many shows and places to eat and things to do. It's just incredible. We're gonna go down now, head down, have a little bit of an explore, just enjoy soaking in the day and being in Vegas. I still can't believe we're in Vegas, this is crazy. So as you may or may not know, the Venetian is based, themed on Venice in Italy. So being America, they have to go big or go home. So they've got an entire canal inside as well as outside with gondolas, singing, I don't know what they're called, gondola riders, and like a whole fake sky, Italian themed everything. So they've kind of based this whole area on like St. Mark's Square in Venice. And the singers, they go full on like the whole time. We're doing pretty well. We're kind of going up, going down.
Probably black or red again.
Going, stick it on then. Ah! Oh! Okay, we accidentally just put a bet on black 22.
I missed black.
It's landed, 12 red. Oh well.
And that was a waste of $5.
So we've just nipped out for our first lunch at a place called Yardbird. We wanted to try some proper American food, so I've ordered some mac and cheese, which I've had it in the UK, but I think it's going to be different here in the US. We told the waitress that it was our honeymoon and she brought us some free bubbly, which is really nice.
Burnt ends, I think.
Give it a try. Oh, that is so cheesy. Wow. It's a lot cheesier than mac and cheese in the UK, but I like it. They've actually put a little congratulations in our dessert for us. How nice is that? So So we've just got back from doing some serious exploring. We've been to the Wynn and had just a general little wander around. It is absolutely crazy how nice the Wynn is. It's just another level. We're going to have a little relax now and head to the pool if we can find it. Apparently this hotel has 7 pools and we've only seen one through our window, so we're not even sure where the rest are hiding. So we're going to go and try and find one and have a little bit of a pool day because it's very hot outside. So basically there are 6 pools here at the Venetian, and then there's another 5 pools over at the Palazzo. They're all quite small, but they're all really nice. So as you can imagine, the prices at the Venetian for food and drink are quite high. So we thought we'd have a little break. So we're going to nip across the road to Treasure Island at a place called Gillies for some slightly cheaper food and drink. So hopefully there'll be tables because we haven't made a reservation. So let's see.
Yeah, just like a school of confused fish.
John is happy. Plate full of meat.
That's what makes it confusing for us.
We found the Wild West in the middle of a casino.
All right, we got time for the George.
We actually have.
What do you think of the hotel?
It's incredible. It's just insane. It's huge. It's got everything. There's a million things that we didn't manage to do because even though we were here for 3 days, there's still so much to do. And yeah, it does cost quite a little bit as well to do everything. And so if you're coming here, definitely be ready to spend some money. But it's worth it. It is really, really nice
And
hotel.
it's massive, so much to do.
Yeah.
The room was enormous.
Yeah.
There's only 1 bed for 2, really, but you could fit probably 5 other beds if you wanted in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really luxurious, really well done.
Food prices are obviously elevated because you're in the resort. So we did have 1 meal, but we were quite sensible with how we ordered.
And even then, it came to probably every time about $100
Yeah,
for 2 people.
with tip and
To
everything.
eat a modest amount of food
Yeah.
and 1 drink each.
2 cocktails, well, a cocktail was like $21, which is kind of what we expected. You don't really speak to much staff when you're here, apart from wait staff. Like, you can check in at a kiosk without speaking to anyone, you can check out without speaking to anyone and just drop your key at a machine. Obviously they're available if you want help, but we've not really had much interaction with the staff here.
It's quite hands-off, isn't it?
Yeah. There is a spa, but you don't get any complimentary access. You have to book a treatment to get the facilities. Most of the stuff is open 24/7 as well, so we can walk around at midnight and some of the shops are still open and the restaurants and bars and things, so that's pretty good.
So we did park our rental car here, $20 a day. That's for hotel guests. I think it costs more if you're just visiting.
Yeah.
So for our 3 days here, it cost us $60.
And it's handy because you literally are in the building with all your suitcases and stuff, so it's nice and easy. There's no breakfast included in your room rate. That's obviously just take your pick when you come downstairs. There's bakeries, restaurants, cafes, buffets.
Starbucks inside in several places.
Starbucks is good here. The coffee is so good.
And at the pool, they give you complimentary towels.
Yes.
So you don't even need to worry about that.
One of them we didn't see because it was the Teo Beach Club, which wasn't open while we were here. I think it's open from Thursdays to Sundays or something like that. So we didn't get to see that, but that's a popular one. It's definitely an experience coming to stay here. You know, you've got all the history of how long it's been here, and it's definitely vibey. There's a lot of people, there's a lot going on, it's very busy. Yeah, it's a good vibe.